Hey guys, just wanted to show you my latest purchase. This is an ESEE 6. This is my third ESEE knife. I'm really liking them at the moment. I used to stick with tops, but ESEE is becoming my next favorite knives. So I bought this one second hand. There it is, here's the sheath. And for second hand, it's pretty much brand new. No marks. The guy said he hasn't used it. Nice Micada handles with the liners. Very comfortable in the hand. Comfortable here. The jimping is fine. It's not aggressive. I'm not a fan of jimping, but to me that's okay. So very good in the hand. Still a bit of space. So the sheath is it's not Kydex. It's a kind of like a plastic. But I do like it because the thumb wrap is quite nice and smooth. It's not sharp or anything like sometimes I get with the Kydex ones. For second hand, it comes with the stickers from ESEE and the little training cards, the warranty cards, some quick bits about them, and the food warnings for using it because it's coated. I mean, the back plate wasn't even put on yet. So that's how new this is. So I got a really good deal on that one. So I'm going to put the back plate on now and we'll see how the whole thing is together. So, little rubber spaces in between. That's how it looks with the sheath on, the back on. Doesn't get in the way of pulling it out. Let's see how sharp it is. So that should be good enough for now. It's a big knife. I see a lot of videos of everybody doing chopping with it, so I'd like to test that out. So there you have. I'm going to do a full review of this soon, but at the moment I just want to show you like an update of what I got now.